Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of tailoring with a complete tutorial on how to sew modern dress pants. Whether you're a seasoned seamstress or a beginner, this guide will walk you through every step, from selecting your fabric to the finishing touches. Let's get started. First, you'll need the right materials. Choose a fabric suitable for dress pants, such as wool, linen, or a blend. Make sure to pre-wash your fabric to prevent shrinkage after sewing. You'll also need a sewing machine, matching thread, a zipper, buttons, interfacing, and basic sewing tools like scissors, pins, a measuring tape, and a seam ripper. A good iron is also essential for pressing seams. Next, the pattern. Select a pattern for dress pants that suits your style. Take your measurements accurately and compare them to the pattern size chart. It's often better to go up a size and alter down than to try and squeeze into a smaller size. Cut out your pattern pieces, paying close attention to grain lines and markings. Now, let's cut the fabric. Lay your fabric out flat, right sides together, and pin the pattern pieces to the fabric, ensuring the pattern pieces are aligned with the grain of the fabric. Carefully cut out the fabric pieces, following the pattern lines. Remember to transfer all pattern markings to the fabric, such as notches, darts, and pocket placements. Let's start sewing. Begin by sewing the front and back darts. Fold the fabric along the dart lines, right sides together, and stitch from the wide end to the point. Press the darts towards the center front and back. Next, sew the front and back leg seams, right sides together. Press the seams open. Time for the pockets. There are several pocket styles, but we'll focus on the classic front pockets. Attach the pocket bags to the front of the pants, and then sew the pocket facing to the pocket bag. Turn the pocket right side out and press. Now, the zipper. Prepare the fly front by applying interfacing to the fly pieces. Attach the zipper to the fly facing in the front of the pants. Stitch the fly front together. Next, the waistband. Apply interfacing to the waistband pieces. Attach the waistband to the top of the pants, right sides together. Fold the waistband over and stitch the inside edge. Add belt loops if desired. Finally, the hem. Decide on the hem length and turn up the raw edge of the pants legs. Press and stitch the hem in place. Add buttons and finish any remaining details. And that's it. You've successfully sewn a pair of modern dress pants. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be discouraged if your first attempt isn't flawless. With each pair, you'll improve your skills and gain confidence. Happy sewing!